I'm gonna clean the inside of these windows, and I have never cleaned them, and I bought this in 2019. It's now 2021. It's been over 2 years, and hopefully you can see this on the camera, but it is nasty. It's just all slimy inside. So taking a microfiber towel, and all I put on it was water. I've tried other glass cleaners over the years and found they make a bigger mess than they solve, and started using just water, and that's all I've ever used since. Oh, over that real well. Hopefully this is showing up on the camera. And then take a dry microfiber towel and just wipe that off until it's totally dry. Oh wow, what a difference. Hopefully you can see that. Look at just the film on there versus clean. And that's wow, amazing. Yeah, just water. Some of the other glass cleaners that I'd use, I found that they just kind of smeared around, and it didn't stay clean very long. With water, I generally just wash the inside. Well, I wash the outside, quite often, but the inside, generally once a year. And they get dirty after a while, but as I mentioned, I don't know when the last time the inside of these were clean. And I didn't think they're all that bad until now that I cleaned it. But you can just see, it's just yuck. And here, nice and clean. Be sure to check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.